A historic blizzard has paralyzed the Northeast, dumping feet of snow, knocking out power and grounding thousands of flights. From Philadelphia to Boston, streets are covered in snow. Wind gusts have topped 80 miles per hour, and hundreds of thousands are without electricity. Providence, Rhode Island recorded its largest snowfall on record, more than 32 inches, while New Jersey spent hours under a blizzard warning. In New York City, Mayor Zohran Mamdani warned conditions will remain dangerous even after lifting a temporary travel ban.
We are plowing streets and doing everything we can to keep our roadways clear so that emergency vehicles can get through. These are dangerous conditions.
The East Coast isn't the only region dealing with snow this week. According to the National Weather Service, higher elevations in Northern California could get more today. Another system is expected to dump more snow on parts of the Great Lakes and upper Midwest starting tomorrow.